Today I will be showing a recipe for a delicious chicken lasagna that always turns out just right. Let's dive into the process. Heat oil in a pan and saute the finely chopped onions until translucent. Add garlic paste and cook it with onions for a minute or so. After that, add chicken mince to the pan and let it change its color slightly. Now season the chicken mince with some salt, black pepper, red chili flakes, oregano powder, some ginger powder, garlic powder, and tomato paste. Mix it well and cook for a few minutes. Now pour into tomato puree and mix it very well. Add chopped coriander leaves, soya sauce, and hot sauce to enhance its flavor. Cover and let it cook until the oil separates. For white sauce, heat oil in another pan and add flour and cook it for a minute. Gradually pour milk in. Continue whisking to avoid any lumps. Now season the white sauce with some salt, black pepper, garlic powder, red chili flakes, and white pepper. Add cream and cook until the sauce thickens. Boil the lasagna strips in a separate pot for 15 to 20 minutes and until they are done. Drain the water and set aside. Now preheat the oven to the desired temperature. Now assemble the lasagna layer in a baking dish, starting with a layer of chicken mince mixture, followed by a layer of white sauce and then lasagna strips. Repeat the layers until all ingredients are used, ending with a layer of white sauce on top. Now bake the lasagna in the preheated oven until it's golden brown and bubbling. Once baked, let it cool for a few minutes and then serve and enjoy your delicious chicken lasagna. And there you have it, a perfect chicken lasagna that's sure to impress your family and friends.